Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. We have got a smooth, creamy, and protein-packed show for you today. We're making homemade hummus. Now, I gotta be honest with you, sometimes life can be downright hard, so it's important to have those things that are just that easy, like making hummus. It ranks at the top of the list, right underneath breathing and, well, binge watching your favorite TV show and playing video games. Okay, well, maybe not right at the top, but it is pretty darn simple. So bring it. So what you're gonna need are garbanzo beans, otherwise known as chickpeas, tahini, plain Greek yogurt, olive oil, Tabasco sauce, paprika, a lemon, salt, and garlic. You'll also need a small food processor, strainer, juicer, garlic press, can opener, and small but mighty sharp knife. I love going to the Middle East, and each time I do, I am reminded about what amazing hummus is all about. Now here in the States, I'm a little on the lazy side, so I'll just pick up a tub at the grocery store, and it's fine. It's dry and grainy, but it'll do. Hey, life is too short for it'll do, so I'm gonna show you how to make better tasting hummus that's actually faster to make than picking it up at the grocery store. And to prove my point, I have asked Director Dwight to go pick us up a tub at the store while we make it here at home, and he has graciously agreed to the challenge. Here, take my car.
Yeah, graciously. Whatever.
Okay, well, we will watch him periodically here on the Garbanzo Cam. Speaking of garbanzos, we will start by opening our can of garbanzos with our can opener. Drain it in our strainer, and we'll rinse it out. Not all chickpeas are created the same. You want to find a brand that doesn't have a ton of skins in the can. As you can see, here's one. We maybe have one or two in this can, so it's actually a really good can. If you have a lot of skins, though, it's going to create a texture that's not terribly appealing for the hummus, so you want to make sure that you peel all the skins off the garbanzo beans. We're going to transfer the chickpeas into our food processor. To this, we are going to add some tahini. Now, tahini is a paste of sesame seeds. Much like peanuts are used to make peanut butter, sesame seeds are used to make tahini. We'll drizzle that on top. Next, we're going to slice our lemon, and we will squeeze that into the food processor. And then we will press a clove of garlic. Now, I'm using the press rather than just throwing in a whole clove of garlic, because sometimes if you throw the whole clove in, it'll stay into a large chunk and then you'll bite into some garlic, which is not what we want. Next, I'm gonna add just a couple of shakes of Tabasco sauce. This will just enhance the flavor. Next, I'm gonna add some olive oil, and we will begin pulsing our mixture. And give it a look. Mix it up just a little bit. Go for another round. At this point, I'm gonna add some salt and the Greek yogurt. You may not traditionally find this in hummus, but it adds a real smooth, creamy texture to it. Hey, I wonder where Director Dwight is. Oh, he's made it to the elevator. Very good. We're almost done. Let's plate it up. So check this out. I've put the hummus in a bowl, put some pita bread around the outside. We're gonna finish it off by taking the back of a spoon and just create like a little crater right in the middle of the hummus. Dust it with some paprika. Finish it off with some olive oil. Oh, we should check on Director Dwight. Oh, fantastic. He's made it to the garage. I think we might have won this one. Hey, I know you're gonna want the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make homemade hummus in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen, Big Taste. I'm going in. Hey, we're done. Come back. What is that? Where are you? I forgot to tell him about the alarm.